of course we have here common numbers or list of common multiples of them, or we can simplify these numbers easily. If you divide by 9 both, 27 divided by 9 equals 3, and divide 45 divided by 9, it will be 5. So the simplest form here is 3 to 5. Write the fraction 25 divided by 35 in the simplest form. Look, you have to do it to its prime. So 25 here is what? 5 times 5. And 35 is 5 times 7. Those are the prime factors of number 25 and 35. Okay, now cancel 5 divided by 5. 5 with 5, and we have here the rest is 5 sevenths. Okay, it will be 5 over 7. This is the simplest form. The third question, that the ratio pair 4 to 10, we can write it by this way or by this way. The same, this is the ratio. Ratio here means a compare between two quantities. The first quantity is 4 and the second quantity is 10. Are these ratios pair proportion or not? Here we have 4 divided by 10 and 2 divided by 5. First we have to do the first ratio in the simplest form. Divide by 2 becomes 2, and divide by 4, divide by 2 equal 5. So they are the same or not the same? This is the first step. It's easy, so it's proportion. Or you can do it by another way. We have here 4 tenths. Does it equal 2 tenths, yes or 2 fifths, yes or no? You can do the extremes times the means. Here 2 times 10 equal 20, and 4 times 5 equal 20. They are the same, so it's a proportion also. Fourth question, write 3 different ratios that are equivalent to 7 fifths. If they are equivalent, if you multiply in both the both here, the first projection and the second one, if you multiply it by any number, by the same number like 2, it becomes a 14 to 10. This is the first equivalent ratio. Or you can multiply 7 times 5 and 5 times 5 to get 35 to 25. This is another equivalent ratio. You can multiply it by 3 both, so it becomes 27 to 5 times 3, it will be 15. This is the third equivalent ratio. Okay, number 5, you can see here Ahmed drinks 15 liters of water, 15 liters of water in 3 days. Okay, calculate the rate of water he drinks per day. Per day means in 1 day only. Per day in 1 day. So it will be easy to do it as extremes equals the means. It will be 1. Let this equal x, let 1 times 15 divided by x here equal divided by 3. 1 times 15 divided by 3, divide by 3 equal 1, divide by 3 equal 5. You will get 5. Or you can do it by another way. You have here, this is 15 liters per 3 days. Okay, and here 1. Type how 3 becomes 15, you will multiply by 5. Also 1 multiplied by 5 to get the number, the actual number. The first page is too easy, also the same ideas. The third one, maybe we have another idea here, like this question. If 6/8 equals 3/6, 3 over x, so you can use the extremes. The product of extremes equal the product of means. So here 6x equal 3 times 8, so 6x equal 24. Divide by 6, divide by 6, you will get x equal 4, and this is the answer. Okay, look at this question. Also we have a car uses 5 liters of gasoline to travel 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers. Okay, how much gasoline will the car need to travel 128 kilometers if it maintains the same rate? Okay, here the best way to use or to solve the question, you have to find the product of extreme equal the product of means. So 5 times 128 equal 40x, or you can divide it by 40. Okay, divide by 5 equal 1, divide by 5 equal 8, divide by 4 equal 2, divide by 4 equal 12, divide by 4 3, 8 by 32, divide by 2 equal 1, divide by 2 equal 16. So my answer will be 16 liters. Okay, the last question, number 5, it's easy also. We can use the extremes times means. Now 3 times 6 equal 18, equal here 18. Concentrate here please. You have to put the brackets between the, because 18 will distributed between x and 2. So here 18 equal 18x, and this second one is negative 2 times 18. 2 times 18. Okay, now let's do the 18x here, and here we will put 18 minus 2 times 18 means 18 plus 18, you will get 16, and that will be 36. Move it to the other side with the different sign, it will be plus 36. It's easy now to solve. This is 24, this is 14, 6 plus is 14, carry 1, so it will be 54 equal 18x. Now let's get x alone, divide by 18, divide by 18, and you will get the answer. So x here, divide by 9 equal 2, divide by 9 equal 6, divide by 1 2 equal 2, divide by equal 3. So x here equal 3. Okay, let's do homework here. It's easy, these questions are the same ideas. Let's see another question. Okay, let's solve this page. Ahmed bought 10 apples for 70 pounds. I will put 10. The number of apples is 10 apples for 70 pounds. How many apples of the same kind can be bought for 98 pounds? The same idea, extremes time equals and means. So 10 times 980 divided by 70, and try to solve this question. Okay, okay. Another question, the same, this question number 2, the same idea, you can do it alone. Okay, let's see Mariam. Mariam, this is the Mariam. Okay, Mariuma. Mariam reads 20 pages of the book, 20 pages of the book in 45 minutes. How long it takes in hours? How long it takes in hours to read 80 pages? To read 80 pages if you read at the same rate. Look, here in this question we will get it, the answer with minutes, and then you have to convert it into hours. Don't let it in minutes, okay? Now let's see how many extremes equal means. The product of extremes equal the product of means. So 80 times 45 divided by 20. Divide by 5 equal 4, divide by 5 equal 9, divide by 4 equal 1, divide by 4 it will be 20. Now 20 times 9, it will be 180 minutes. Don't forget that the answer here will be 180 minutes. If you put 180 like that and write minutes, it will be wrong. Why? Because he wants from you how long it takes. Does it take in hours? How long it takes in hours? So please concentrate with this question. In hours, here we have 180 divided by 6 to convert it to hours. You will divide by 60 because each 1 hour has 1 minute. If we have 2 hours, 120. 3 hours, it will be 180. Divided by, so we have to divide by 60. 0 with 0, 18 divided by 6 equals 3 hours. How long does it take? In hours, you will say it's 3 hours, not 180 minutes. Okay, guys. Okay, look at this question. Find the value of x. I have to do it again, okay, to make more concentration about it. We will do 5 times x, the product of extremes equal the product of means. Now 5 times 6 equal 15 times x minus 2. 5 times 6 equals 30. Great job, huh? And 15 here. Don't forget to distribute 15 between the two elements inside the brackets. So 15 will be, you will get 15x minus 30. Okay. Now this is 15x. Move 30 to the other side with the different sign, so becomes 30 plus 30. It will be 60 equal 15x, and then divided by 15, divided by 15. Okay, 15 divided by 15 equal 1, and 15 divided by 60, I think it's 4, because 15, if you repeat it 4 times, you get 30 and 30, 60, so yeah, it will be 4. So x here equal what? Equal 4. Okay, let's move this type of question. I think you are good now on it. You can do it well. Okay, let's see this type of questions. Don't be upset of this question because it's easy also. Look at question 1. A man distributed means share them or share them equally، يعني وزعهم بما يرضي الله. share them equally أو distributed 18,000 pounds to 2 people in a ratio of not equally here, sorry. طيب, he did it of the ratio 3 to 2. What is the share of each of them? Each one will take how many? Look, a man here distributed what? 18. I'll make it smaller. This is the man. He has a lot of money. Oh, not man. This is the man. He has a lot of money. He has 18,000 pounds. He wants to share them equally between 2. Okay, the ratio here between 2, 3 to 2, and he has all of this money. Okay, what is the share of each of them? You have to do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes first. In the first box you have to put the number, and second box you have to put the number of ratios. Here he wants to know that each one of them will take how many, so you have to put here the sum of all the money that they have. Here we have 18,000. Okay, so you have to get the sum of the two ratios equal all the parts of the ratios will be 5. To know the ratio or the money that the first ratio have, the ratio 3, okay, equal what you will do extremes times the means. I'll change only the color. طيب. So to get the first ratio here, or the first amount, you have to do extremes times the means. It will be, you will get 3 times 18,000 divided by 5. And try to solve it. Divide by 5 equal 1. Divide by 5 here, 18 is 15 and 3. 15 divided by 5 equal 5. Now, so it will be 3 times. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. And 30 divided by 5 equals 6. And we have here 2 zeros. So 3 times 3,600. I will put these 2 zeros. 6 times 3 equal 18. Carry 1. 3 times 3, 9. And 1, it will be 10. So it will be 10,800. So the first one will take 10,800. To know the second ratio or the second share, you can do two things. You can do it at the same, that like 2 times 1,000, 18,000 divided by 5, or you can subtract 18,000 divide minus 10,800, or you can make it like that, 2 times 18,000 divided by 5. Here, this with this, you will get 3,600, and then multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12, carry 1. 3 times 2 equals 6, and 1 equals 7,200. Easy? Okay, participated is in a business. 3 people, I will draw the 3 people. 1, 2, 3. 3 people participated in a business. The first one paid 70,000. The second one paid 80,000. The third one paid 90,000. Oh, they have a lot of money. And the profits at the end of the year were, here we can write here the profit, were 96,000. Find the share of each profit in the first year. To know the share of each profit, yani this one, its profit is what? The second man, the profit. The third one, what is her profit? Okay? Okay, first you have to add all what they paid. Okay, كلهم. Let's add this number together. 70,000 plus 80,000 plus 90,000, and you get the answer 0, 0, 0, 0. 7 and 8, 15. 15 and 9 is 24. Sorry. So they paid, sorry, here 240,000. Okay. To know the share of the first one, he paid here 70,000 times this number and divided by this number. يبقى عندي the first person, the share of the first person, number 1. Here we have, it will be 70,000 to know the profit, times 96,000 divided by, 240,000. Okay, now cancel 4 zeros with this 4 zeros, and here 24 divided by 2, it will be 12. divide by 2, it will be at the 4, 8, and we have 3 zeros. Divide by 12 equal 1, divide by 12 equal 4,000. Now let's multiply 7 times 4,000. So the first one will be 28,000. But the first share is 28,000. Easy. Okay, let's solve the second one. The first one, second one, sorry. To know his share. Extremes times the means, as you know, it will be 80,000 times 69,000. مش عارفة بتعمل ليه كده. Okay, divided by 240,000. This 4 zeros with this 4 zeros divided by 24 is 1. Here it will be 4,000, and if you multiply them together you will get 32,000. Okay, so the second share is 32,000. Okay, let's see the third share. Here 90,000 times what? 96,000 divided by, it's a little bit difficult but no problem, you can do it, my heroes. Okay, for with this 4 zeros, cancel them together, divide by this equal 4,000. 36,000, and this is the third share. Easy, easy busy يا عزيزي. Okay, let's move to the other question. I will cancel them now. Okay, here we have two numbers have ratio. I have two numbers, I don't know them. The ratio of them 5 to 2. If the smaller number is 48, the smaller number is 48. What is the larger number? To know the larger number here, it's easy now to solve it. Extremes times the means. Okay, here this is x. We will say x equal 5 times 48 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2.1 divided by 2 will be 24. So the greatest number is 4 times 0 is 20. 5, 10, 2 by 12, it will be 100. 120. Easy, easy يا عزيزي. Okay, let's see number question 4. A piece of land with area, we have here a piece of land with area 36 acres. I don't know what the meaning of acres. We'll search about it. Was divided between two people of ratio 2 to 7. Okay, what is the share of each of them? A piece of land with an area of was divided between two people. Yes, this is the area of the land, and they divided them between two people. They divide them between two people of ratio 2 to 7. What is the share of each of one of them? 2 to 7, all of it is 36. Okay, the land is 36, so we have to get the sum of these two pieces. 2 to 7 equal 2 plus 7 equal 9. So to know the share of each of them, you have to use the same way by extremes time equals means, divided by means. So the first share equal 2 times 36 divided by 9. You will get the answer here. It's easy. 36 divided by 9 equal 4. This 4, so it will be 8. And the second share, it will be 7 times 36 divided by 9. 4, so it will be 28. Got it? I think it's easy also. Here we have, I think, if the discount rate 20. Okay, let's see this type of questions here. Classroom, or okay, let's see the classroom performance for the second week. If the discount rate 20, here we have discount is 20% on any item in the clothing store, find the purchase price of pair of trousers if its price before discount is 500. يبقى before discount it was okay. Look, you have to put 6 okay, 6 boxes to know how to solve this question. First, you have to put the original price. The original price always would be 100%. Okay, here the discount is 20%, so after discount you will subtract 100 minus 20, so you will buy it 80 with 80%. Okay, type. Look, if it's price before the discount, it means that the original price is 500, so we will put it in which box here? Yes, great job, we will put it in the first box, the price before discount. He wants to know, find the purchase price of a pair of trousers. Okay, if it's a price before discount, type. So its price after discount will be what? Okay, or he will pay how much money? Okay, so now let's do extremes to get the answer. Extremes equals, يبقى we write now what? The price after discount equal here it's x, the price after discount, equal 500 times 80% divided by 100%. Okay, this 0 cancelled with these 2 zeros, percentage with percentage, so the price would be 5 times 80 equal 400 pounds after what? After the discount. So he will bid 400 pounds. Okay, let's see the next question. Is the same idea or not? If the price of the restaurant, the discount, maybe the same idea, but I can solve it again for you. Don't be upset, please. As I said to you, we have 6 boxes, sorry. In the first box, we have to put here the original price, and the second box you will put the discount or the profit or anything. Here, if the price of the dress is 810 pounds, so 100%, the original price you have to put 100%. Here, if the price of the dress is 800 after the discount, so after the discount we will put it in which box? You will put it here at the last box. Why? Because it's not its original price. Here it's the price after discount. Here, price after discount. Type. the discount percentage is 10%. So the discount here is 10%, but this is the discount. So they will pay 90%. Why? Subtract 100 minus 10, you will get 90%. So what did they pay? How much does they pay? They paid what? 810 pounds. 810 10 pounds. What is the question here? Calculate the price. Here, calculate the price of the dress before the discount. Before the discount, it means that he wants to know the original price. To know the original price, you have to do the scissor way or extreme sequence. It means we will write here the price before the discount equal 100% times 810 divided by 90%. Easy. Percentage with percentage. Here 0 with 0. 10, I think it will be 80 divided by 9. This is 810, sorry. Sorry, 810. I didn't see it. Okay, 810, 0 with 0. And we have here 81 divided by 9. On 9 find 1. 9 divided by 9 by equal 9. So it will be 90 or 900. Sorry, it will be 900 pounds. But the answer will be 900 pounds. Easy. خليك easy.